Hey everybody, well, it is Wednesday and I finally have a couple of interesting trades. I have not had any signals since all the drama of last weekend. So let's take a look at what we're viewing today. First off, I'm looking at the Kiwi CAD, and the first thing I look for is the general trend, which is down according to Super Trend. I see that we just had a cross of the baseline, closing below the baseline. Our ash has just turned color, and our volume is up. And if you look down here at these numbers, you see that our ATR is 75 and our distance is 52. So everything is looking good. The only thing that could be an issue is at 2 a.m. it looks like the Kiwi will have some annual budget release information. But I'm going to go ahead, because that's not one of VP's criteria, I'm going to go ahead and sell. There we go. And the other one is Great Britain CAD. Let me pull that one over. Now this one actually looked like yesterday would have been an ideal time to take a sell on this. As you can see, the super trend just changed direction. We were below the baseline. We were within our 1 ATR. Our ash was in agreement and we had volume. But I don't think this switched until after that candle, or after the candle moved some, because this was not switched before. But if you notice, this candle right here is still within 1 ATR. Our super trend is giving us a down, our ash is in agreement, and we do have a volume. The only concern I have about this is if you notice, let's get our crosshairs here. So we're looking at this candle. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 candles from the baseline cross. So I'm thinking it is within the 7 candle rule, or a bridge too far, as VP puts it. So I am going to take a sell on this one as well. Okay, so now we have 2 trades on, and there were other trades that looked good, but many of them had already traveled way too far beyond the baseline, past that 1 ATR. So I won't be taking those trades. I'm going to try to be very conservative and really follow the rules. So we'll see if we can pull this out. So there you have it. That are the trades for today, and I hope you guys are having a wonderful trading day. Talk to you later.